how to change payment method in Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna guide you on how you can change the payment method on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change the payment method in Netflix, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to netflix.com. remember that we're talking about your browser, not from the app. So to change the payment method, log in from your browser, tap the three lines option here, and then just go to this option here known as accounts. And once you go to the account option, from here you simply want to scroll down, and here you'll find different sort of options such as your payment method. So tap on manage payment method. Now once you have done that, you can choose to update the current one by just tapping the update option, or you can tap the change payment method option. So you can choose to tap on the change payment method option. You can choose to add another card, whatever else it is that you prefer. This way you should be able to change payment method on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.